Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to quickly and easily create a sandwich shop pro forma financial projections using my business plan template and financial model that's customized for the sandwich shop industry. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the sandwich shop pro forma financial projections using the financial model that I've customized for the industry. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the sandwich shop pro forma financial projections using my financial model. So, in order to get the financial model that I am using right here, you do need to purchase my sandwich shop business plan template, and I do give you all that information at the end of the video. But once you do buy the sandwich shop business plan template, it comes with the business plan in a Word document as well as a financial model in Excel, and that's what we're talking about is the Excel or the financial model. So once you open up the financial model, you're going to have four tabs. You're going to have the information tab. You're going to have your projections tab. This is just a summary of all your information. You're going to have the profit and loss tab, which is your profit and loss statement for 12 months broken into quarterly as well as monthly segments. And then you're going to have the income statement, which is just your pro forma income statement, your annual revenues and costs for the next 5 years. All your changes that you're going to be making is going to be on your information page. And on this page, you also have, I do have it segmented into sections as well. The first section is going to be the daily sales. Anywhere you see the darker colored cells, that's where you're going to change your information. For the daily sales, you're going to go ahead and estimate your average customer sales, how many customers you think you're going to service on a daily basis, what do you think the average ticket price is going to be, and how much is it going to cost you to make your products and make your sandwiches. For this example, I'm saying the variable cost is going to be 20%, which just means that if your ticket price is $13, then it's going to cost you $2.60 to make your product, and so on. The next segment or section underneath the daily sales is going to be the days a week that you're going to be operating. If you're going to be operating 6 days, then put 6 days. If you're running full 7, then put 7. And then for the final part right here is just your monthly sales, and I just keep that 4.3, which just means that you're averaging 4.3 weeks per month, which is just typical for the year. Your next segment is going to be your labor. For the first section is going to be your salary, how much you want to pay yourself and your executive team. You're going to put it here. And then your hour employees are going to be right here, number of employees, hourly rate. And then if they're full-time, 172. If they're part-time, divide that by 2. Your next section is going to be your startup cost. For your startup cost, the first two lines is going to be your investment. How are you going to fund your operations? You can either fund it from an equity investment or from a loan. If you do choose a loan, whatever number you put in this section right here, this $100,000 or whatever it's going to be, it's going to automatically populate down here. Then you change the interest rate and the term of your loans, and your payment will calculate automatically and also populate throughout the financial model. Underneath your startup costs, how you're going to fund your startup organization is going to be your startup costs. How are you going to go ahead and divvy up the $125,000 or however much it's going to cost you to start up your organization? You're going to divvy that into these buckets right here. Again, all this information is customizable except for these two titles right here. All these titles right down here, you can change these titles as well. Your monthly fixed cost, this is just your monthly fixed cost. What's your rent, utilities? All this information can be changed right here. Here is going to be your information, miscellaneous section for your tax rate. And here's your growth rate, your first 5 segments for the growth rate or revenues for year 1 through year 5. And then you have your growth rate for your cost. Once you make the changes in the darker cells, every time you make those changes, it will automatically populate your pro forma profit and loss statement. That's monthly as well as quarterly. So those numbers will change every time you change one of the numbers in the information page. And then your pro forma income statement will update as well. So it's pretty straightforward. It's quick and easy. You make the changes in darker colored cells, and then your financial models change. And then once you're done with that, you just copy and paste your financial projections, your financial statements into your business plan, and you are all set, ready to go. All right, hopefully this information is helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.